Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm at what was Camellia Station. Going to cover the latest on developments on the Parramatta Light Rail construction update, and looks like the construction activity is well in advance. They're about to start installing the overhead wiring, and the construction of the new tram stop at Rosehill Gardens is well advanced. So just take a closer look if I can. Don't want to squash these plants here. Try the other side here so I can get a zoom-in shot here. That's close as ever going to get. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, before we check out Rydalmere, a lovely gentleman at the construction site of the Rosehill Gardens tram stop kindly gave us this card. You want any information about the Parramatta tram line project, and the details are on this business card, and also the internet address is also on the card as well. Anyway viewers, just at Rydalmere, just going to show you guys the actual stop. I've already made my decision about that loud and clear. I am not going to call Rydalmere that at all. It is too confusing. I've already made my decision loud and clear. I am going to refer that name as Rydalmere because it's so easy to remember and not so confusing. Changing the name of a station against people's wills is not ideal. And remnants of the old railway sleepers here at Rydalmere. I'm going to go up on that bridge over there. Anyway viewers, this is just close as I'll ever get to Rydalmere at the moment. Remnants of the old Carlingford line days. Anyway viewers, I'm at Tilapia. Heading towards Dundas, Rydalmere, and on to Parramatta and Westmead. Face towards Carlingford. Just want to get the oh, by the way, viewers, the old Tilapia railway station was here. I'm gonna quick. Oh, that's one of the overhead wiring supports for the Parramatta Light Rail. Bit of road rage going on, guys. And by the way, there's a station sign for Tilapia. Anyway, guys, I'm at Carlingford. Just had to drop the make way through safely. That's the Carlingford new tram stop. Just up in the display. If I can zoom it in. Well, that's the closest I'm ever going to get to in Carlingford for at least 12 months. Anyway, viewers, unfortunately that's all I had to show you guys. There's not much I can film. So I'm going to wrap up the video. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases just past the old entrance to the old car park. So anyway, viewers, thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.